Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use market orders on Robinhood. A market order is a directive to buy or sell a security immediately at the best available current price. This means speed of execution is prioritized over achieving a specific price point. It's a straightforward way to trade, especially for highly liquid assets. However, it's crucial to understand that the final execution price might differ slightly from what you see displayed, particularly in fast-moving markets. We will cover how to place one and when it is most appropriate. Placing a market order on Robinhood is quite simple. First, open the Robinhood app and find the stock you wish to trade. On the stock's detail page, you will see a trade button. Tap this and then choose either buy or sell. Next, select market order from the available order types. Finally, input the exact number of shares you want to buy or sell, for example, 10 shares, and review your order before confirming. It's a quick process. Market orders are best utilized when immediate execution is your top priority. They are particularly effective for highly liquid stocks, where there are many buyers and sellers, leading to very small differences between the bid and ask prices. For instance, if you are buying or selling just a few shares of a widely traded company, a market order is often efficient. However, for less liquid stocks or very large orders, the price could move significantly against you, so caution is advised. It's vital to remember that a market order does not guarantee a specific execution price. The price you see when placing the order might not be the exact price you receive, especially during periods of high volatility. For larger trades, or if you need to ensure a specific price, a limit order might be a more suitable choice, as it allows you to set your desired price. Always take a moment to carefully review all your order details before hitting that confirm button to avoid any surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.